This is a gorgeous pillowcase and comforter set we bought for my daughter. It is a twin. It is a really nice material, and I was nervous that the black wouldn't be bold enough, that it'd be like a gray, but it is real black. So it goes perfectly with her black frame bed and the pink walls and the white. It's like a really bright white as well, not an off-white, a true white. And you'll see it even next to our white dresser. That is more of an off-white. So this is like a really bright white. This is the whitest of white paint I could get. And it's even not as white as this. So true black and white. Throw it in the washer and dryer. We put the whole set, pillowcase and comforter, together in my washer, which has an agitator, and it still fits fine. Comes out great. This is the pillowcase. We have a really weird shaped pillow in here, but it does have this nice little, like, not frill, but this little extra trim at the edges. And then it opens in the middle. So you can use this for a sham or as the actual pillowcase. And then there you go, that is the front. And the material label says Love's Cabin. It came in a really nice box too. And it is Oweko Standard 100. Wash cold, gentle, cycle only, tumble dry on low heat. We love it. We love it. We love it. I love the design. My daughter loves it. It is a win, win, win.